Hello everyone. This is the Appri team, and in this video, we want to show you how to add text recognition to a mobile app. Now, we'll create a new app to show how text recognition works, and then you'll be able to make a similar app yourselves. We will start with importing the Appri plugin called Text Recognition. Click Create New from Plugin and find it on the list. The plugin comes with two predefined pages, real-time text recognition and text recognition. On the second page, recognition is performed based on a static image. Let's change the default routing from Screen 1 to text recognition and then test our app using Appri Tester. First, we need to run the tester app on the device. To start testing, let's click Test and then scan the QR code of our app from the tester app. As you can see, the page has three modes of operation. Let's start our testing with the Echo mode. When we click the Echo button, a specific document loads, the text is recognized, and we can see more detailed information about the recognized blocks, their coordinates, and the text found in each block. Now, let's check the next mode. Click the camera button to take a picture of a document. The program recognizes the text in this document, and we can see the recognized text below. Let's now check the gallery mode and choose a picture from the gallery. Click the third button and select some picture. And again, as you can see, all the text was recognized and you can view the recognized data below. We've just recognized the text using a static image. Now, let's check how text recognition works in the real-time mode. To do this, click the real-time button at the top of our screen. In this page, we have two modes, 10-second recognition or continuous recognition until we stop the process. Let's test the second option. Click the Recognize button, and as you can see, our app is processing the text recognition in real time. Now let's see how it all works. The core of this feature is the Appri Text Recognition plugin. You can find more detailed information about it in our documentation. Note that to use this plugin, you will need to activate it in the Cordova Plugins tab. Additionally, to display the recognition results conveniently, we use the JSON Viewer component. Now, let's take a look at how the app pages are structured. We'll start with a static text recognition case. When we click the Echo, Gallery, or Camera buttons, we call the Recognize function, passing the image source as a parameter. Then, we use an image component to show our document, and below it, there is the JSON Viewer component, which is used to display the text recognition output. Now, let's switch to the Code tab. The main method is called Recognize. First, we analyze the image source, which can be the camera, gallery, or a predefined image. Then, we resize our image. The most important part is calling the Recognize text method of our text recognition plugin, passing our image in base64 format. By the way, don't forget to specify in the parameters that our image is in base64 format. When the text is recognized, we call the drawResults function. It's quite straightforward. We iterate through our list of text blocks and draw a frame around each block with a 100 millisecond delay. The logic for real-time text recognition is also simple. When we press the button, we call the same method and pass a timeout parameter, which can be functional. During text recognition, this function is called, allowing us to add our code, make decisions based on the recognized text, save it somewhere, or even stop the recognition process. If you want to add text recognition to your app, all you need to do is activate the Appri Cordova plugin in your project. In most cases, working with static images is required, and to process them, all you will need to do is call this simple code. That's all for now. See you. And thanks for watching.